celebrating the 7 years of our program, and that will be the theme all this week as we look back on the several years, different years of Kababayan LA. Now you know it as Kababayan Today. For now, I'd leave you with some of the most memorable performances we've had on the show in 2006 and 2007. This has been your Kababayan in Los Angeles, Janelle So. Nagpapaalam po. At sa tulong po ng Panginoon, tayo ay 7 years strong na, and we are going to have more discussions and more celebration in the coming days here on the show. For now, enjoy this one. I'll see you next time.
Kailangan mong marinig ang alay kong awitin, bugso ng pag-ibig, iyo sanang dinggin, ngayon din dito sa LA18, Kababayan.
At long last, love has arrived. I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak.
Time for a cool change. I know that it's time for a cool change. Now that my life is so prearranged, I know that it's time for a cool change. It's a bit of rose. It's so essential to feed your soul. Day breaks and I'm under the bridge downtown. That's where I drew some blood. No love, no reason to live, and I got nothing left to give. Close my eyes as I lay back down to die.
Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people search forever for that one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me.
Starlit nights, they keep me looking at your charming eyes. The way the stars impact your crazy mind, it makes me leave everything behind. Look above, these foolish stars think they could set the mood.
Never did it, he never died.